So back at number 47 Markeri Street in Mermaid Waters. It's only about 10 weeks since the slab went down on this one. It's going together very, very quickly. And you know, as you can see, the 70s are calling and the curved windows and walls are back. It even has some bronze windows to match. It's got the 3-meter high ceilings, big stacking sliding doors at the rear. It's taking up pretty much all the block and a curved bulkhead above the kitchen as well. So some very tricky features. This is the third house that this client has built with Imagine Kit Homes. So they certainly know how to, you know, do the more complicated things. And they're only just around the corner from us. If they need any advice, we can always pop in and make sure that we can answer all their questions. But something a little bit quirky on this house. It's large, it's spacious, and it's got some features that you don't see every day. But it's come together great. Certainly a testament to their skills. They've got a good crew on board now and managed to push the boundaries on what is achievable in just what is considered a kit home. But it's certainly a lot bigger than what the kit homes used to be, and it's going to be quite a special house. Not far from completion, probably only about 2 or 3 months, and it'll be ready to move in.